Okay, so we recently got 300 subscribers and I am preparing a special video for that because I want to do something interesting. However, for now I want to show you the L-Cheapo Mark V. This is the final version. Note the new diode, new fan, and new board. This guy will eat 12 to 24 volts, run on 6 to 8 watts depending on how you adjust the little screw here. And it even has a PWM wire like the Mark III and Mark IV, just so that you can control it digitally with an Arduino or another microcontroller. Now I've installed it on my Solidoodle tree. You can see that there's a fan in front that does two jobs. That does a bit of air assist, and it also acts as a mechanical filter for the camera, because I don't want to bust the camera because this thing puts out a lot of photons. So let's see how it does. Now I'm going to adjust the fan, which moved. And we're going to load a piece of bog standard 1/8 inch acrylic. Now I've shown you that you can actually cut this in one pass with the Mark V. However, that's not particularly repeatable and it doesn't give you a very neat cut. Instead, I'm going to do 4 passes in 3 minutes, doing a standard hexagon shape for testing. And you can see that this actually vaporizes the acrylic. It doesn't just melt it like most diode lasers would. This actually gives you the nice cut that a CO2 laser would. So let's set this thing. You can use GRBL for the software. You can use pretty much anything you like. I'm still using Fronterface because I'm comfortable with it. And let's go. Not much to see here for a little while. It's going to take about 3 minutes to cut. In the meantime, I would like to show you how to build this thing, because one important characteristic of L-Cheapo is that it's easy to build. So a new board. Let me just open it up for you. Oh, that broke. Seriously though. The outer shell has been streamlined a little bit. It can be printed. It's designed to be printed on a Solidoodle too, so the simplest printer you can get today. And you can see the inside here. We don't have resistors anymore. We have this printed resistor that cuts down the building time quite significantly. We have current regulation, voltage regulation, a bit of extra heat sinking here. Here's your prototyping area. You can actually move, if you move the fan forward a little bit, you can add, people add tilt switches, I've had people add solid state relay, I've had people add temperature controls. This doesn't need it, by the way. It's self-thermoregulating, but if you want to know the temperature of the whole system, you can. The metal work here, this is just a heatsink you can buy off DigiKey, and the diode is press fit. Voltage protection diode here, MOSFET for PWM, and then you got the backpack here for voltage regulation. Nothing too crazy about it. Here's the heatsink. I recommend putting one in. By the way, this is not a LM2596 anymore. This is an X4005. You can buy it on Amazon for $6. So as you see, not much has changed. This is your L-Cheapo. It's a little cleaner and it's a little bit more, I would say, build friendly. The protection diode is in a bit of a strange spot. It's after the MOSFET instead of before. The reason why we do this is that this way, if you happen to connect these two backwards, which is often the case since you don't necessarily know the polarity of your extruder heater, it will just not work. It will not destroy either the laser or the thing. And hey, it's done printing. Oh, it's done lasing, really. So let's see what we get here. And here's our cut. Break it out. You can actually see this is the 4 layers. Very clean, no burning. So that's the L-Cheapo Mark V. It's fast, it's cheap, it's durable, it's simple to build. Not much else to say about it. I think we're done here.